Murdeshwar is a town in Uttara Kannada district in the state of Karnataka, India. It is famous for the world's second tallest Shiva statue. The town lies on the coast of the Laccadive Sea and is also famous for the Murdeshwara temple. The town has a railway station on the Mangalore-Mumbai-Konkan railway route. The origin of the name Murdeshwar dates to the time of Ramayana. The Hindu gods attained immortality and invincibility by worshipping a divine linga called the Atmalinga. The Lanka king Ravana wanted to attain immortality by obtaining the Atmalinga, soul of Shiva. Since the Atmalinga belonged to Shiva, Ravana worshipped Shiva with devotion. Pleased by his prayers, Shiva appeared before him and asked him what he wanted. Ravana asked for the Atmalinga. Shiva agreed to give him the boon on the condition that it should never be placed on the ground before he reaches Lanka. If the Atmalinga was ever placed on the ground, it would be impossible to move it. Having obtained his boon, Ravana started back on his journey to Lanka. Lord Vishnu, who learned of this incident, realized that with the Atmalinga, Ravana may obtain immortality and wreak havoc on earth. He approached Ganesha and requested him to prevent the Atmalinga from reaching Lanka. Ganesha knew that Ravana was a very devoted person who performed prayer rituals every evening without fail. He decided to make use of this fact and came up with a plan to confiscate the Atmalinga from Ravana. As Ravana was nearing Gokarna, Vishnu blotted out the sun to give the appearance of dusk. Ravana now had to perform his evening rituals but was worried because, with the Atmalinga in his hands, he would not be able to do his rituals. At this time, Ganesha in the disguise of a Brahman boy accosted him. Ravana requested him to hold the Atmalinga until he performed his rituals and asked him not to place it on the ground. Ganesha struck a deal with him saying that he would call Ravana thrice, and if Ravana did not return within that time, he would place the Atmalinga on the ground. Ravana returned to find that Ganesha had already placed the Atmalinga on the ground. Vishnu then removed his illusion and it was daylight again. Ravana, realizing that he had been tricked, tried to uproot and destroy the linga. Due to the force exerted by Ravana, some pieces were scattered. One such piece from the head of the linga is said to have fallen in present-day Surathkal. The famous Sadashiva temple is said to be built around that piece of linga. Then he decided to destroy the covering of the Atmalinga and threw the case covering it to a place called Sajjeshwar, 37 kilometers away. Then he threw the lid of the case to a place called Guneshwar, now Gunavanthe, and Dhareshwar, 16 to 19 kilometers away. Finally, he threw the cloth covering the Atmalinga to a place called Mrideshwar in Kandukagiri, Kanduka Hill. Mrideshwar has been renamed to Murdeshwar.